She cute! Maybe we need a more pointy chin because anime face very pointy. Oh, the lips maybe a bit thinner. But I mean, if you're gonna be realistic to the anime face, then there's gonna be no lips at all. But wow, already looks pretty different. Mwah. You can actually see me pucker my lips. I will say this is pretty accurate face tracking. Oh my god. Drink more water. I need to drink more water. Sheesh. I feel like a flash streamer. I can't believe this is too realistic. I look at myself and it feels like I'm a flash streamer. Like I have a camera, a webcam on. Bruh, this is exactly what I look like after all IRL. Like, of course I would look at myself and be like, yo? Are you still here, Gigi? What? I look like a flash streamer. This is so uncanny. I'm so hot. Bye bye, Gigi Murin, Gigi Murin. Okay, where was I? My head hurts with this head tracker, bruh.
Super cool. Excuse me.